How to make full screen video in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you want to create videos for TikTok, Reels and Short and want them to be full screen but don't know how, don't worry. After watching this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And once you have opened the app on the home page, simply tap on New Project. Now select the video that you want to edit and then tap on Add button in the bottom right corner. And once your video is added to the timeline, simply scroll through the bottom menu and tap on Aspect Ratio. Now choose 9:16 ratio, which is the full screen format for vertical videos. Now tap on your video in the timeline and use two fingers to zoom in and adjust the framing to focus on the part of the video that you want to show. And that's it. Now you have successfully made a full screen video in CapCut. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.